on by the BJP, by the present incumbent, the so-called Tuliram Ronghang, whose photo that you have already shown. It is a long connection with Himanta Biswa Sarma. When Himanta Biswa, before going into that, when Rahulji came for this Jatra, Bharat Joro,
Yes.
at that time when he reached over to Guwahati, he said that the most corrupt CM in the all over India is none other than Himanta Biswa Sarma. Then when I got the privilege, I said that along with him, wherever Himanta Biswa Sarma travel, and also whenever he goes anywhere in India, and even here, everyone is familiar that he take around Tuliram Ronghang. For the very purpose that there is, the reason is that there is a very easy way to do corruption over here, and also the only place where land is in abundance still is in Dima Hasao and in Karbi Anglong. That is why lots of land in hundreds of bighas land has been given to Ambani and Andani. As I have said, see, for example, I'm not going to highlight everyone to whom the land is being given. But so far, the corporates to whom land are given are all total at this juncture. Whatever information we have collected that has come to our knowledge is 1,53,250 bigha land. This we can imagine. This land, why they are exploiting the economic condition of our people. They don't want to give the land, but they are bound to give their land because BJP has done such that they have made our people economically so weak that they are compelled. They will be telling, give your land, we'll give money. To Jina to have Luko. They have to survive today. So that is why they have to
Forcibly taken.
forcefully or by no choice, they have to give their land. This is what is going on. Then syndicate is in huge way they are running here. In market, every shop, पूरा syndicate चला रहा है. अंडा से लेके मछली तक, आलू प्याज तक syndicate चला रहा है. ये डिफू बाजार में आज आप थोड़ा समय मिलने से बाजार में घूमने से अब मालूम हो जाएगा. You will come to know the extent of corruption and syndicate they are running. Leave aside those what is called stone quarry and all these
Yes.
things, where they are supposed to extract 3 lakh cm of a stone in 7 years time. They have already completed 80 lakh cm.
Yes.
But they are in government record they are showing only around 1 lakh 25 cm. That means they have already planned to extract more. That means theft will be going on in massive way. Then another thing is that nepotism we have been talking about. During the time of Congress, there were lots of petty contractors. Works were divided amongst different categories. But when BJP came to power, only the corporates and the multinational people are getting their share, and it is all being taken by Tuliram Ronghang and family, completely in their family name. All these are there. We have all highlighted, even ma'am, we have given memorandum to our deputy commissioner, both East Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. In your place, maybe they are called collector.
Yes.
So we have already given memorandum based on this corruption, but no result, nothing's there. Because even the state, they have their share. So we are planning very soon, within a week time, taking the permission from our president. We will be going to the governor with a memorandum highlighting all the things that is going on in Karbi Anglong. So in short, what I am going to say, ma'am, it is there more to come because people are not getting opportunity for any job, and in the name of joining BJP, they are buying people like they are purchasing fishes and eggs in the market. Joining का नाम पे इंसानियों को वो लोग खरीद रहा है. 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Our district Congress people are offered up to 30 lakhs by Tuliram Ronghang. But they failed to join.
Correct.
They didn't decide to join because they have their belief. They have confidence on this, our
Congress
very
idea.
constitution.
About the large scale land transfers, very popular. We all know how many bighas of land blatantly been given to friends of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And the friends, the court says we can't take the name, but well, you all know the A groups and the others from from Patanjali to Godrej to the thermal powers. It's a known fact. And then they have the audacity to say that they're not doing it because, as our Prime Minister says, झूठ बोलो, बार बार बोलो, इतना बोलो कि वो सच बन जाए. तो जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर ही, ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ही ऐसी बात करेंगे तो जाहिर सी बात है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों को शय मिलती है, सपोर्ट मिलती है ये बात करने के लिए. और वो व्हाट्सएप फैक्ट्री से इतना झूठ फैलाते हैं. लेकिन समय का पहिया बदल चुका है, नैरेटिव अब वो सेट नहीं कर सकते. बहुत हो गया इनका. याद है ना वो डायलॉग, बहुत हो गया महिला पे अत्याचार अब की बार, बहुत हो गया महंगाई की मार अब की बार. बहुत टैगलाइन चलाई थी ना, तो अब टैगलाइन चलाने का ज़माना उनका गया. अब वो बैकफुट में है, उनको पता है कि जनता जागरूक है, जनता जाग चुकी है. बार बार लकड़ी की हांडी आप चढ़ा नहीं सकते हैं. कितने बार चढ़ाएंगे और कितने बार इस्तेमाल करेंगे. लोग समझदार हैं, पढ़े लिखे हैं, वो जानते हैं कि किस तरह से उन्होंने ज़मीनों में घोटाला किया है, किस तरह से उन्होंने जो माइनिंग है उसमें बेरहमी से कर रहे हैं. उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि वातावरण में क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, एनवायरनमेंट हाउ इट इज़ बीइंग डैमेजिंग, हाउ देयर इज़ लैंडस्लाइडिंग, this indigenous area that we are in, the tribals and the others, the land have been taken away forcibly, the way they have driven these people to poverty. They have ensured that the schools are not being run properly, they ensure that fake schools are being running, there are no teachers there. So agriculture land, you name it, and there's corruption. So we request the media that be a part of this campaign, be honest about your profession and speak about this. I will be really happy to see that today what the press conference is being done by us here, the Congress party, it should reach every nook and corner of this area. Only then we can say that you as media has done the job of getting justice for your people, because you belong to this place. Will you feel nice, or do you feel nice when this is happening right under your nose? I understand this pressure, I understand this scare, but I think more than that, there's morality. The word of transparency, accountability does not exist in the dictionary of Bharatiya Janata Party. They believe it's like Andher Nagri Chaupat Raja. When the king itself, as he claims himself to be, is so corrupt, what do you expect to happen to the Praja? They are not bothered as to see what is happening. The flyover that's come up, have you seen what is happening? It's an unwanted requirement, but still then it is there because there's no checks and balances. We need to ensure that there are checks and balances. We have to see, the Article 6 and other sections which have been promised in the state, which has to be implemented. And the Congress party pledges that when it comes to power, they'll ensure that first and foremost, there'll be judicial inquiry on such kind of corruption. We'll ensure that these rights of the tribal and the rights of these people are given back to them so that they can live a peaceful life. So these were the things which were belonging to these people here, and they have been, forcibly been taken away from these people. So I think we should pitch in to stop this kind of destruction, to stop this kind of injustice being done, and we hope that we'll be able to be successful and achieve a target of dethroning this kind of people who are bent upon on finishing the state of Assam. Not only the central government, the Modis and the Amit Shah ji are in a way, by controlling the election commission, by controlling the ED, the CBI, all kind of money power and muscle power they are trying to use and threaten our people here. But they are sadly mistaken that ultimately honesty prevails, and it is the truth that will prevail, and people will stand for truth, and they will ensure that this government is no longer here in the coming elections. I would like to ask Sir in detail to give the detail as to what kind of corruption that is happening here. Pictures are of course visible. The facts will be given by Sir as to what level and to what extent they have looted.
যিকোনো খবৰৰ বাবে যোগাযোগ কৰক 7099017330 লগতে 7099017110 নম্বৰত।